Welcome guys. Now all I can see is a phone model for me. The model phone of the phone is Vivo Y91. I will open it. See now. So at first I have to open the SIM tray. I will open the SIM tray. Use SIM ejector and open the SIM tray. I will open the SIM tray. And finally I open the SIM line. Then all I have to do is open the back panel of the phone. I will open the back panel safely. Wait and see. So see now. Then I am carefully removing the back panel. Safely removing the back panel. Then all I have to do this is the motherboard, and I will open an screw, the motherboard screw that I am looking for now. So I will open that first. All screw this phone. Then I will unveil the remote on the side as it is on the display. At first I will open the remote, display remote and logical motherboard remote. Second time I will open the antenna cable. Third time I will open the screw, this phone frame, and safely remove this frame. Then I will separate the motherboard. Then I will open the speaker part. I will open the safely speaker part, not damage